Hello dear students, welcome to Onus Academy. After a long gap, I'm back again. So very much welcome. This is Onus Academy, your ultimate destination for comprehensive physics lessons, specially tailored for 11th, 12th, JEE, NEET and CET aspirants. On this channel, you will discover engaging video lectures explaining complex physics concepts, detailed solution to JEE, NEET and CET physics problems, study tips and strategies for acing your exams. So join me on this journey to master physics and achieve your dreams. So today we are going to take up the topic motion in one dimension. So today we are doing the MCQs. We will do few MCQs. So there is a question that a ball is dropped from a bridge 122.5 meter above a river. After a ball has been falling for 2 seconds, a second ball is thrown straight down after it. What must be the initial velocity of the second ball be so that both hit the water at the same time? The options are 40 meter per second, 55.5 meter per second, 26.1 meter per second, and fourth one is 9.6 meter per second. See, solution 1. Here, when we say dropped, then see, remember such words. When we say dropped, it means its initial velocity is 0. Whenever the word dropped is used, you have to automatically assume that its initial velocity is 0. But when we use thrown, see, this word is used, this thrown word is used for the second ball. First ball was dropped, second ball was thrown. So whenever the word thrown is used, we have to automatically assume or understand that whenever anything is thrown, its initial velocity is not equal to 0. Got it? This is the major difference. This is the key point. Remember these things, very important. Dropped and thrown. Okay? So now we have to find out the initial velocity of second ball. Okay? So here we have to search for an equation for the question in which all the given data can be accommodated. Okay? So what is the equation? So equation, what does equation means? So equation means equal to. Equation always means equal to. What becomes equal to? Okay? So, and for that equal to, we will find out or search for same or common data. For this you have to, because कोई भी चीज़ को बराबर करने के लिए, दो चीज़ को इक्वल करने के लिए, दिस एंड दिस, राइट एंड लेफ्ट को इक्वल करने के लिए, यू हैव टू फाइंड सेम फैक्टर्स या सम कॉमन data. Okay, so we have to find the common data. So what is same here in these two situations? What is same? The ball dropped and the ball thrown. In these two situations, what we got? Same time. Here we got same time, है ना? Okay. We want to find out the velocity of the second ball. What could be the velocity? So that the ball hit the water at the same time, यानी सेम टाइम में दोनों हिट करें. तो हमें एक सिचुएशन मिल गई कि सेम टाइम, कि ये हमारी कंडीशन को फुलफिल करती है ये चीज़. ठीक है. सो दिस इज आवर कैचिंग पॉइंट. सो ऑलवेज लुक फॉर द इक्वेशन एंड द कॉमन डेटा. ओके. नाउ सो सी द सॉल्यूशन. So the solution, we will start for the solution. Here time for first ball is equal to time for second ball plus 2 seconds, because it was thrown after 2 seconds after the first ball was thrown. So here we made the equation, because here we got the equal to sign. So the equation becomes T1 is equal to T2. This is T1, this is T2 plus this is 2 seconds. So this is what we got the equation. ठीक है. ये हमारी इक्वेशन है जिस पे हम अब काम करेंगे. So let's find out the time in the terms of initial velocity. How do we get time? How do we get time t in a kinematic equation? Kinematic equation में हमें टाइम कैसे फाइंड करते हैं हम लोग? See, these are the basic formulas which we have learned in 10th standard. So hope you people might be remembering them. ठीक है. So kinematic equations में था पहले v is equal to u plus at. But ये फॉर्मूला हमको नहीं चलेगा, because height is given. We need to find equation regarding height. तो ये इक्वेशन हमारे काम नहीं आएगा. तो we remember another formula also which we have studied in 10th standard. So same formula, but it contains height also. So ut plus half at square. Okay. So this was first formula, this is 2, and which we are going to use it. See, for first ball, here we are standing, this is for the first ball and this is for the second ball. The ball is thrown from here, this is the river or the ground, whatever we call it. So here when it is thrown, its initial velocity was 0. When the second ball was thrown, its initial velocity was not equal to 0. And the height is 122.5 m. Here also the same height, isn't it? So here u is not equal to g, and yeah, this is t1 and this is t2. Time taken is t2. So what is, if it is not 0, then what is it? Okay, so using for first case, what was our formula? S is equal to ut plus half at. I'll write it down. S is equal to ut plus half at square. Now putting the values, 122.5 is equal to 0 plus half t1 square. And for second case, it is 122.5 because height is same for both the balls, is equal to ut square u2 t2 is plus half g t2 square. So here t1 square is equal to 122.5 into 2 the whole upon 9.8. Therefore t1 is equal to under root 122.5 into 2 the whole upon 9.8, because t1 is equal to t2 plus 2. Therefore t2 is equal to t1 minus 2. So therefore t1 is equal to 5 seconds. How it came? See, t2 is equal to 5.2, 5 minus 2. Therefore t2 is equal to 3 seconds. Okay. See, looking at the calculation part, this is what, if you calculate you will get this thing. Now the calculation part, hope so you people must be knowing very good calculation, since you people are physics students. So see, 122.5 into u2 into 3 plus half into 9.8 into 3 square. Now this is 3 second, na? t2 is 3 second. Now we are going reverse. So 122.5 into u2 into 3 into half into 9.8 into 9. Okay. Now this gets cancelled, 4.5. Therefore 3u2 is equal to 122.5 minus 9.8 into 4.5. So 3u2 is equal to it becomes 122.5 minus, when we get multiply these things, we get 44.1. So 3u2 is equal to 78.4. Therefore u2 is equal to 78.4 upon 3, and thus we get the value u2 is equal to 26.133. So this is the initial velocity with which we must have thrown the second ball. So hence option C 26.1 meter per second. A ball is thrown vertically upward from the ground. पहले हमने बॉल को नीचे फेंका था. Now we are throwing it upward, means against the gravity. Whenever such questions come, तो फटाफट दिमाग में भर लेने का कि जब हमने पहले बॉल नीचे फेंका था तो इट वॉज गोइंग विद द ग्रेविटी पुल भी था उसके साथ. बट नाउ when we are throwing the ball upward, it is going against the gravity. Okay, so a ball is thrown vertically upward from the ground with a speed of 25.2 meter per second. How long does, means how much time will it take to reach its highest point, and how high does it rises? This is a question, and your options are 22.75 seconds, 3.24 meter. Option B says 25.7 seconds and 34.2 meters. Option C says 2.75 seconds and 32.4 meters. And option D says 27.5 seconds and 3.42 meters. So means how long does it takes. टाइम पूछा है ना, तो टाइम फटक से हमें समझ में आना चाहिए कि हाउ लॉन्ग इट टेक्स. दिस इज द क्वेश्चन मीन. यानी कितना टाइम पूछा है. हाउ लॉन्ग इज बीइंग आस्क्ड. गॉट इट. सो व्हेन वी गो अपवर्ड्स, से अपवर्ड का ये पूछा है, इज इक्वल टू 25.2 मीटर पर सेकेंड, है ना. एंड हियर a is equal to g is equal to our gravitational means this is the value for your acceleration, and g, this is acceleration due to gravity. Okay, and we have been asked time. These are all given points. Okay, so and this is the ground, and from here we are throwing the ball with a is equal to g. इसका पुल नीचे है, ग्रेविटेशन का पुल ऑफ कोर्स नीचे होगा, एंड u इज इक्वल टू व्हाट इज इट 25.2 मीटर पर सेकेंड. सो वी गॉट here 3 quantities, means we got here 3 datas. As I mentioned in the last MCQ that we have to go through the data. देखना है हमें कि क्या दिया है, हम उससे किस फॉर्मूला को यूज़ कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो here 3 quantities are given, but 3 quantities do not make one equation. हाँ, ऐसे क्वांटिटीज दी गई है जिससे हमें कोई भी एक इक्वेशन नहीं मिल रहा है. वी नीड 4th क्वांटिटी ऑल्सो विच इज़ नॉट गिवन हियर, बट इट इज़ हाइडिंग समवेयर विच वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. सो इट इज़ हाइडिंग इन द वर्ड्स. देखो क्या क्या वर्ड्स है. एक है वर्टिकली, अपवर्ड्स, अपवर्ड्स जैसे मैंने बताया कि इट इज़ गोइंग अगेंस्ट ग्रेविटी. यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दिस थिंग. अचानक से क्लिक हो जाना चाहिए फटाक से. एंड टू रीच इट्स हाईएस्ट पॉइंट. ये एक हिडन है और ये एक हिडन है. टू रीच इट्स हाईएस्ट पॉइंट. These two are the keywords. These are hidden. We have to क्वेश्चन में ही आंसर होता है many a times. So whenever a body reaches its highest point in a vertical motion, then we have one quantity given, and that is v is equal to 0. It is always that, because when it reaches the highest point it has to come back, because at highest point the final velocity, that is v, becomes 0 for a ball to come back down. Okay, तो t is equal to, जब भी हमने जितनी एनर्जी से, मतलब हमने बॉल को जितनी एनर्जी से ऊपर फेंका है, तो एनर्जी मान लो हमने 10 की एनर्जी से यहाँ से फेंका होगा, तो ये लूज करता गया 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 0, 2, 1. यहाँ पे आके वो 0 हो गया. अब उतनी ही वेलोसिटी से वो नीचे आएगा, क्योंकि उसकी एनर्जी अप होल्ड होने की या ऊपर और बढ़ने की एनर्जी ख़त्म हो गई, क्योंकि वो एनर्जी जो हमने उसको दी थी यहाँ से फेंकते वक्त उसने वो खर्च कर दिया ना. उसका डाउनफॉल चालू हो गया. इट विल कम बैक डाउन विथ 0 because its velocity has become 0. So t is equal to what? U upwards is equal to 22.5. A is equal to G is equal to 9.8 meter. नीचे आने के लिए, ये ग्रेविटेशनल पुल है हमारा, इट विल बिकम -9.8 बिकॉज इट इज़ गोइंग अपवर्ड्स अगेंस्ट द ग्रेविटी, तो ये हम इसको नेगेटिव में लेंगे. ओके, एंड v इज इक्वल टू 0, सो we will use the formula v is equal to u plus at. ठीक है, now here we are taking v is equal to 0, u is equal to 22.5 plus at is equal to minus 9.8 t. Okay, so 0 is equal to sorry, it is 25.2. So 25.2 minus 9.8 t. Therefore t is equal to 25.2 upon 9.8, which gives us 2.75 seconds. Second thing, how high does it rises? मीन्स हमें हाइट पूछा है कि कितनी हाइट तक का वो ऊपर गया, ये हाइट कितनी है. सो मीन्स h इज ऑल्सो आस्क्ड and s is, so here we will use the formula v2 use v square u square is equal to v square is equal to u square plus 2as. These are all basic formulas. 0 is equal to u square. What is u square now? U square is 25.2 the whole square, it is already given, into 2 into minus 9.8 into s. Okay, therefore s is equal to 2.5, sorry I'm doing mistake, 25.2 into 25.2. See the square, so we are taking it 2 times. Okay, the whole upon 2 into, because we are making it, when it comes down it becomes positive, so 9.8. Okay, and we have taken s here. Therefore on calculating all these things we get the answer s is equal to 32.4 meter. Hence option C. It takes 2.75 seconds, and how high it goes? It goes 32.4 meters high. So these were the 2 MCQs. We will continue in another lecture. We'll solve more MCQs based on this topic, motion in one dimension. So till then, stay tuned. Do like, share and subscribe my videos with your friends and family. Yeah, thank you. Stay tuned.